In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bulk users in Google Workspace. The first thing you need to do is go to admin.google.com and log in with your Google Workspace admin account. Once you're on the admin console dashboard, click on Users in the left-hand menu. At the top of the Users page, click on the Add Multiple Users option. You'll usually see it near the top right corner next to the Add User button. Now, you'll be asked to upload a CSV file that contains the list of the users you want to add. To create this file, click on Download Blank CSV Template. The template will include columns like first name, last name, email address, and password. Open the file, fill in all the details for your users, and save it as a CSV. Next, go back to the admin console and click Attach CSV file. Select the file you just created, then click Upload. Once uploaded, you'll see a preview of the users you're about to add. Double check the details, then click Add Users to confirm. Google Workspace will now create all the accounts in bulk. Each user will receive an email with their new login details. And that's it! That's how you add bulk users in Google Workspace using the CSV method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.